Alright, today I will be showing you how to replace your accelerator and accelerator sensor if you're just doing the sensor. This is for your 2003, 2005 C240, C230, and I know it's for the C320, but I'm not sure about the years on that. I'll put in the description. But this will stop your car from you'll push the accelerator to the floor, and it'll only be like you pushed it a quarter of the way, so it should help with power. Sometimes your car throws a code. Mine threw a code but went away, but I'm just going to replace it before I lose almost all power again. Alright, first we're going to pull off this little plastic black cap here. May have to get under it with a screwdriver. Mine just slid right off. And after that, we're going to get a 10mm socket and loosen this bolt right here. Alright, after you get that nut off, you're going to want to get the accelerator and pull it up, and just keep pulling up, and it should get loose at the top, and then you can slide it out to where you can access your sensor. Alright, after you pull the accelerator out, the sensor wire is pretty long. You're going to want to grab on both sides of the sensor and push in on the tabs and pull up. It's a little hard to pull off. It's been in there for a while. And then you're ready to put your new accelerator back in place. Alright, so when you get your accelerator ready to put back in, the top of it will slide into that hole right there. You can kind of see it. There's a gap. You'll want the top of it right here to go into, and when that locks in, you can push your accelerator all the way into place. Alright, I dropped this plastic piece right here so you how the accelerator goes up in there. It's 3 T20s if you want to do it. Here's my old accelerator. This is the piece right here that will clip into the hole, and you can see there's a little hole all the way back here where this metal is, right where my finger is. But it's a piece of metal, and the bottom of the accelerator slides up through there and locks in place, and then you can get it to slide over where your nut goes on the bottom. Alright, make sure you guys put everything back together, put your 10mm nut back on there and get it all plugged up. But after that, you should be good. Everything should be ready. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. If you want to see more content, subscribe, and I should be doing more work on this car sometime soon.